Here we have the connector of the buzzer module, and we have yellow for our signal, red for power, and black for ground. And we're just going to connect it so that the yellow is closest to the microchip, like so. We're using the C0 pin of the microcontroller. So first thing, we need to make sure that we have the 14 analog checked here, because that's the microchip we're using on the PicoMiniDRIVER. Then we can place a sound tool and we can hook it up using our flowchart link lines. And we need to go into that tool. We can select pin C0 and then go over to tunes. Now let's just do something simple. We'll just click a few notes and we'll preview it with the play. We'll click on OK and we'll program. That gives us a nice test. Now that we know it's working, we can just move that link line up for the moment, program it, and that will erase the microcontroller. We're also going to have a look at how to edit these notes and also how to import Nokia ringtones. So one thing, when we click a note, it goes pink, and that defines, one, the selected note. It also defines the cursor. Okay, so I can select this note and I can click it to move it up and down. I can actually use the arrows as well to move up and down. I can even move that note sideways. Let's move it down. You'll see that better. There we go. Okay, and with that note, we can also change the duration of the note. So if I do that, we have a different type of note. So this is in 4/4 timing, a quarter note, and that's a half note, and that's a whole note, and we can go the other way down to an 8th note, 16th note, and a 32nd note. Okay, that's as far as it goes there. But some of the other things you might want to do is you might want to make it a dotted note, and that means it's 1.5 times the length of the note, or you can make it part of a triplet, like so, and that changes the way it plays. So I'll just click some more notes so you can see what it's doing there. So we have triplet notes playing. Now, that's great if you know how to edit music and create your own music. If you, however, just want to cut to getting something nice, we can go import down here, and you should be able to select what's called an RTTTL file. And you can download these from the internet. They don't always work so well, but I'm just putting *dot, and that should find some that I already have. If I go to the correct location, okay, so here are some of the files that I've downloaded to give you an idea. Batman, Star Wars, Chariots of Fire, Jingle Bells, Superman, Mario Brothers, Simpsons, and you'll see that I've edited some of these as well. So that's one thing you can do. If you know how to edit a text file, you can actually edit RTTTL files. I'm just going to go into the Simpsons though and load up the Simpsons, and we'll see how that previews. Oh, it's missing a note on the end, I would think. Maybe it just didn't preview it right. I would think that that's probably meant to be a bit longer. So I can edit it like that, preview it. And that's pretty much it. And how to use the sound tool, let's program it and see how it goes. That's the sound tool from PicoFlow ALPHA. Thanks for watching.